Hello guys, for today's video, samahan nyo ako. We're going to Zamboanga Boulevard and I want to show you around during night times and trying some different kind of street food and also supporting the local vendors. Stay with me guys. What's up? So here in Olive Boulevard, during nighttime, people are just walking around, sitting around, walking and selling. There's a bunch of street foods. So usually here that is the washroom. Yeah, lala. Well, this is very relaxing at night time. Bias. Oh, diba? Oh, isn't it so cute? Huh? Oh, insa. Yan mga nagagano. Ayaw niya. Kasi yan guys. Beautiful street food. Wow. Yan, ganda. So, actually there's a bunch of street food. See? Oh, mayroon pang balloon. Sana all. Sana all. Diba?
Pinahilo pa ko na matulang na.
Sige na yun. Patata ko na. Sana all. See.
Sila pa rin.
Yan guys. Guys, yan guys. Oh. Oh, yan. Diba? Yan, sweet corn tayo guys. Aho. Sarap. Maliit lang yun dyan. So, yeah. And, let's see. See guys, I will show you that. Actually, I love Zamboanga City. So, dito naman tayo sa may tea. Ito insan? Ito lang.
May iced coffee? Yes po. Chocolate, matcha.
Strawberry sa akin.
Iced coffee na rest ng non-coffee na pwede. Sinong gustong matcha?
No, strawberry sa akin.
Strawberry latte.
Strawberry latte sa akin, guys.
Ayun gusto sa'yo.
So, yan. Dito lang yan sa Boulevard, guys. Wow. O, diba? May mini cart business ka. Tapos, ang dami niya mga